Hello students, I am your English teacher Shipra Agrawal, and in this video I will tell you how to plan writing a diary entry. This is a very important topic for your writing section, so you should all be aware and you should all be skillful in this writing task. So let's begin this video. What are the features of a diary entry? When you are going to write a diary, at the time you should remember some points. Now I'm going to discuss with you. First point is your tone should always be informal because diary is your friend. So as you talk with your friend, as you write letter to your friends, in the similar manner in the diary entry, our tone always should remain informal. Always use first person pronouns just like I and we. This will make you feel part of the story. Your language will be emotive, and always note down all the information and the events in the chronological order. What is chronological order? It means it starts with events that happened early in the day and end with events that took place in the evening. And in the end you can write down in the diary entry your point of view, your opinion. Now, here are some focus points. Understand that eventually the diary will become your best friend, silent confessor, or witness. Put the date or some sequence information to the diary. Always remember this thing. You have to write down the date, particular date on which you are making a diary entry. On the left hand side, you have to mention the date. After that, all the events and the information that you are writing, there should be a sequence, maybe at the top of the page. And if you are also interested to write your personal diary, then always remember this point. Start writing the diary only if you really have interest in it. And after watching this video, you will come to know how you can make a perfect diary entry. Now, if you are writing your personal diary, always there is a question in your mind what I have to write down in my diary and what I don't have to write down in my diary. So, here is the answer. Give detailed information about places, objects, people, and events. Avoid describing what is not needed. Talk about events that involved you or your family or close friends. Avoid talking about strangers and events you were not involved in, because diary is your best friend. So you can write down about your close friends, about your family members, about the things that you like, about the places, um, uh, about the places, about the events events in which you about the events in which you participated. Means all the personal things you can write down in your diary. In the examination, when the question came for diary entry, always write diary entry in a personal vein, in a personal tone, and the hints are always given, so use those hints and give the perfect answer of a diary entry. Now, by the help of our example, I will explain you this. Before that, here is one last point. Don't be afraid to write about your feelings and emotions. After all, it is a personal diary and you share everything with it. Here is one of the example of our diary entry. In such a manner, you will get the question of diary entry in your examination, and also the hints will be given like this. You are Anurag oblique Anuradha of City Public School, Deogar. The name of the place is Deogar and name of the writer for boys is Anurag and for girls is Anuradha. Last night you had a really horrible dream. Taking help from the input given below, make a diary entry on a horrible dream that I had last night. So now some hints are given. Life is just a dream. Sometimes dreams come to me. The dream I had last night might never come true. First day in the exam, highly worried and confused. Paper very difficult. Memory failed me. Couldn't have right answers in mind. Similar experience in other papers. Results out. Faced lot of humiliation and embarrassment. opened my eyes. It was a mere dream. God forbid it may ever come true. Such type of dream, I think, generally the students watch before the examination. So it is a very easy question for writing a diary entry, and also the hints, you can say, lesser your burden of writing. So only use these hints and write down your views in the form of diary entry. First of all, on the left hand side, what you will write? The name of the place that is given in the question. After that, the date. If the given in the question, then that date. Otherwise, on the date, you are writing the diary entry. Then day, and after that, the time. Always remember this thing. The time should be the time of night, because always diary entry is written at the time of night. Then you have to give one proper salutation to your diary, because diary is your friend. So address diary just like your dear diary. Now this is the content. People say life itself is a dream, a maya, and people also say that sometimes dreams do come true. God forbid it. I shudder to think. Shudder means fear. What happens if the dream that I had last night comes true? It was really a bad dream. I was appearing in the board examination. It was the first day of the examination. I had the question paper in my hand, but I was highly worried, confused, and irritated. It was rather a difficult paper. My memory simply failed. The right answer wouldn't come to my mind. When I left the examination hall, I was really dejected and disillusioned. The same thing was repeated in others' papers too. Then I dreamed that the results were out. My name was not there in the list of successful candidates. I cried and tears came into my eyes. It looked as if my academic career was over. Certainly, all my dreams and hopes ended in smoke. I dreamed that my classmates, teachers, and neighbors were trying to console me. Oh God, what a humiliating and embarrassing situation. When my mother woke me up in the morning, I realized that it was just a bad dream. Life was as sweet and exciting now as it was before going to bed last night. And now, in the end, you have to write down the name of the writer, and in the question, it is given Anuradha. I hope, students, now you understand how to make a diary entry. So goodbye. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye, bacho.